Made in United States. Package dimension: 11.938 cm by 6.858 cm by 2.032 cm. Product type: engine component cap. Package weight: 0.25 pounds. Black polymer cap with screw includes cap only. For 1.5 hose size gas fills. Perko's history of commitment to quality products and increased customer satisfaction have brought about many innovations in product design and manufacturing. We intend to continue this tradition of quality, efficiency and service, providing increased benefits to our customers for many years to come. Perko's product line consists of over 1,000 individual products with over 5,000 SKUs. The line includes LED and incandescent navigation lights, battery switches, searchlights, underwater hardware, cabinet hardware, deck hardware, cleats, locks, latches, hinges, hasps, deck plates and fills, fishing rod holders and emissions products for marine fuel systems. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. And quick delivery. I must not have tightened my cap before the last trip. I ordered this as a replacement and it arrived quickly and was just what I needed.